5 Best Olive Oils of 2020. Number 5. Best for dipping. La Tourangelle Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil. While you can certainly use it for cooking, the La Tourangelle Extra Virgin Olive Oil really shines when paired with a big piece of fresh crusty bread. That's why it's earned the spot of Best Olive Oil for dipping. To make the extra virgin olive oil, La Tourangelle harvests olives from Andalusia, Spain during the early season and cold presses them the same day. This process helps prevent the loss of antioxidants, but also creates an oil that has a fresh, bright, and peppery taste, with hints of almond, olive leaves, and freshly cut grass. Customers love that its flavor isn't overpowering, though some say the container could use a redesign so that the oil doesn't dribble down the side of it. What we like: 100% organic. Bright, peppery flavor that isn't overpowering. What we don't like: design of container could be improved. Number 4. Best for cooking. Olive & Company. Everyday Extra Virgin Olive Oil. If you're looking for the best olive oil for cooking, the Olive & Company Everyday Extra Virgin Olive Oil checks all the boxes. Not only was its flavor profile, which is best described as mild and fruity, designed to complement any type of cooked dish, but it's also one of the purest olive oils out there. Customers praise that its mild flavor doesn't have a bitter aftertaste, saying it works equally well for drizzling and cooking. The olive oil comes from Chile and far exceeds the purity standards set by the International Olive Oil Council. What we like: not too thick and not too thin. Light, fruity flavor. Great for dipping. What we don't like: maybe too mild for some palates. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. Number 3. Best Cold Pressed. Ellora Farms Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Although many of the olive oils on this list are cold pressed, Ellora earned the spot of Best Cold Pressed Olive Oil for several reasons. Unlike other olive oils, which combine several olive varieties from various regions, the Ellora Farms Extra Virgin Olive Oil and all of Ellora Farms oils come from a single region: Crete, Greece. But it's not only sourced from Greece, it's produced right on the spot using low temperatures and cold pressing to preserve both flavor and quality. What we like: sourced from one region in Greece. Robust flavor. Great for drizzling. What we don't like: not ideal for cooking. Number 2. Best Organic. Napa Valley Naturals Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Napa Valley may be known for wine, but Napa Valley's Naturals, a brand of Stonewall Kitchen, puts the Northern California region on the map for olive oil, too. While the company started as a roadside produce stand, its operation has expanded throughout the world. Its organic extra virgin olive oil is now made of a blend of regional olives that come from the Mediterranean and are cold pressed to create a smooth, buttery flavor, mixed with light, fruity notes. Customers love the taste of this olive oil, though one notes that it's a bit mild for her taste. Another says it works great as a salad dressing. What we like: cold pressed. Smooth flavor with fruity notes. Inexpensive. What we don't like: flavor might be too mild for some tastes. Number 1. Best Overall. California Olive Ranch Everyday Extra Virgin Olive Oil. California Olive Ranch describes its extra virgin olive oil as freshly pressed juice. Unlike lighter refined oils, which are made with exposure to high heat or chemical solvents, this cold-pressed olive oil is made by crushing fresh olives mechanically. This not only leaves you with an olive oil that's totally pure, but one that tastes perfectly smooth, too. The everyday blend combines several different types of olives to create a versatile oil that contains herbal, fruity, and grassy notes all in one. And, as the name implies, it's ideal for everyday sautéing, baking, roasting, and even drizzling over salads, as many customers can attest. If you're looking for something that tastes a little milder but is still free of chemical solvents, the mild blend has a less intense buttery flavor. What we like: 100% pure and made from cold-pressed olives. Smooth flavor with herbal notes. Approved by the Olive Oil Commission of California. What we don't like: a bit expensive. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.